Hello, I saw your question about this problem, number 5, in the last homework assignment. Congratulations for being ahead of schedule. I wasn't quite sure, you just asked me a question about the formulas. Wasn't real sure I understood what you were, the details of it. I just want to show you how to do this with StatCrunch. So we're given this information. You got part A correct. That you got two samples here. X sub 1's 28 out of 255 in the sample, and X sub 2, I guess 36 had some characteristic out of 301. Page 477, they shows you how to access this two sample proportion summary. I've got it covered up here, but you click on Stats, Proportion Stats, to Summary, to Sample with Summary. And then this pops up, and then those steps are on page 477, or there's some videos you can watch that show those steps that accompany the assignment. So I put in the 28 out of 255, and then I put in the 36 out of 301. We're doing a hypothesis test, and you identified that correctly, and that's so this is set up. Then you click Compute, and it'll give you the test statistic z sub 0. So you could use technology to run the formulas, or you can do it by hand. I wasn't absolutely sure about all your P stuff in your question. I just showing you how to use it with StatCrunch. You can use the calculator too. Those steps are also on this page. Hope this helps.